In this video, we will explain how to test in plan mode. The app screen shown in this video is for a smartphone. If you are using a computer or tablet, please see another video. When using the plan mode, you need to set the test points and plans in advance, then send the plans you want to use into the Lumitester Smart. For how to set test points, please see our video, How to Test in Standard Mode. At first, tap on the Setting Up icon in the lower right corner of the screen, and select Setting Up Plan. Then, tap the plus button in the lower right corner of the screen. Then press the Edit button to set the name of the plan to be displayed in the app. This time, we name it Plan Taro. Then tap the OK button to confirm. Next, please set the name of the plan to be displayed on the Lumitester Smart in the same way. Only alphanumeric can be used, and up to 12 full-width alphanumeric characters. Space, punctuation and symbols are not allowed. This time, we name it Plant Arrow 2. After selecting the tester, please tap the plus button on the lower right side, and a list of test point groups will be displayed. Select the test points that you want to add to the plan. You can select from the list of all test points or from test point groups. Then please set the names to be displayed on the Lumitester Smart for all the test points that you selected. For this time, we selected Knife in test point group Factory A. So let's name it with Knife A. After completed setting, please make sure the switch Setting Plan to Lumitester is turned on. If you wish to utilize multiple test plans, you can switch them by turning this switch on or off. Up to 100 plans can be created on the app per account, but up to 20 plans can be setting to one Lumitester Smart. Finally, tap OK to complete the plan setting. Repeat same process for the number of plans you need by tap the plus button on the lower left. After setting up the plan, connect the Lumitester Smart and tap Send Plan. Now, let's test with the Lumitester Smart in plan mode. First, with the Lumitester Smart turned on, please press and hold the power button on the side for at least 5 seconds to go to the settings screen. Use the arrow buttons to find the Mode Select menu and select Plan. If you will always use plan mode in the future, this operation is not required from next time. Select the plan you want to use with the arrow buttons, confirm the name of the test point, then test. As a result of the test, a judgment based on the benchmark value 1 and 2 will be displayed on the screen. A check mark means pass, in other words, clean. An exclamation mark means caution is required, and a cross mark means fail, which means dirty. For now, here is a cross mark which means fail. When one test is complete, select the next test point by pressing the down arrow button. This time, an exclamation mark is displayed, which means caution. Repeat this process for the number of test points you set in this plan. This time, a check mark is displayed, which means pass. At last, we will introduce how to load the test result into the app. Please note that you cannot connect to the app when you are selecting a test point, or a test result displaying on the screen. In these cases, please press the power button to return to the plan selection screen before connecting to the app. After connecting the app and the Lumitester Smart, please press the Load Data button in the app. Tap OK button, the screen will change to Sync Complete. You can take a special note or change the tester on this screen. Also, you can check the checkbox to recycle bin to delete results. Tap on the cross button in the upper right corner to complete the results loading. In addition, you can also make a standard test with test point selection if you don't want to switch to plan mode or you only want to test one or several test points. Press and hold the Start button in standard mode about 2 seconds to view all test points of the plan saved in the Lumitester Smart. Select the test point and press the Start button to make a test. In this case, test point group, test point, and tester will also be automatically assigned to the test results. After testing, press and hold the Start button to select another test point. And you can switch to normal standard mode by press and hold the Start button again. The instructions for testing in plan mode are now complete.